Hello, gentlemen over 50. Today, we're going to discuss a vital indicator of your overall health and vitality, the morning signal. This natural phenomenon, medically known as nocturnal penile tumescence or NPT, is more commonly recognized as a morning erection. It's a crucial, often overlooked, sign that your body is functioning optimally, particularly concerning your cardiovascular health and hormonal balance. For men, experiencing this signal regularly suggests healthy blood flow, robust nerve function, and balanced hormone levels, all essential for well being. As we age, maintaining this signal becomes even more important, serving as a barometer for your internal health and vitality. A consistent morning signal indicates that your body is effectively recovering during sleep, preparing you for the day ahead. Now, let's explore two key nutrients that can significantly support your nighttime recovery and, in turn, enhance your morning signal: magnesium and L-arginine. Magnesium is a powerhouse mineral involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, crucial for muscle and nerve function, blood glucose control, and blood pressure regulation. Crucially, it plays a vital role in promoting deep, restorative sleep, which is essential for hormone production and overall cellular repair. Adequate magnesium levels contribute to a calmer nervous system, reducing stress and allowing your body to enter the deep sleep cycles necessary for optimal recovery. Next, we have L-arginine, an amino acid that is a precursor to nitric oxide, a critical molecule for cardiovascular health. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow throughout the body, including to the areas responsible for the morning signal. Enhanced blood circulation is fundamental for maintaining erectile function and ensuring that your body receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs for repair and regeneration overnight. Together, magnesium and L-arginine create a powerful synergy, supporting your body's natural ability to recover and thrive. Magnesium ensures you get the deep, restorative sleep needed for hormonal balance, while L-arginine optimizes blood flow, directly impacting the strength of your morning signal. By focusing on these two nutrients, you're not just addressing a single symptom, you're investing in your overall cardiovascular health, hormonal equilibrium, and sleep quality. This holistic approach can lead to a noticeable improvement in your morning signal, reflecting a deeper level of vitality and well being. Embrace the power of magnesium and L-arginine to support your nighttime recovery and reclaim your morning vitality. Consult your healthcare provider to see how these nutrients can benefit you.
Welcome back to our health series for men over 50. Today, we're diving into a practical guide on optimizing your nighttime recovery with magnesium and L-arginine. Magnesium is a vital mineral, crucial for over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, including muscle relaxation and nerve function, both essential for restful sleep. For effective nighttime recovery, we recommend magnesium glycinate or magnesium malate. These forms are well absorbed and less likely to cause digestive upset compared to others. The optimal dosage for most men over 50 is between 200 to 400 milligrams, taken approximately 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to go to bed. This timing allows the magnesium to begin working its calming effects, preparing your body and mind for a deeper, more restorative sleep cycle. Next, let's discuss L-arginine, an amino acid that plays a significant role in nitric oxide production, which helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Improved circulation can aid in nutrient delivery and waste removal, supporting muscle repair and overall recovery while you sleep. A typical dosage for L-arginine for recovery purposes ranges from 2 to 5 grams, also ideally taken about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Combining L-arginine with magnesium can create a powerful synergy, enhancing both relaxation and the body's natural repair processes overnight. Beyond supplements, 3 synergistic lifestyle habits can significantly amplify your nighttime recovery. First, prioritize proper hydration throughout your day. Adequate water intake supports all bodily functions, including nutrient transport and detoxification, which are vital for effective recovery. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, and remember to sip consistently rather than chugging large amounts at once. Second, embrace morning light exposure. Stepping outside for 10 to 15 minutes shortly after waking helps regulate your circadian rhythm. This natural light exposure signals to your brain that it's daytime, promoting alertness and ensuring a stronger melatonin release later for sleep. Even on cloudy days, the ambient light is sufficient to provide these crucial benefits for your internal clock. Finally, incorporate deep breathing exercises into your daily routine, especially before bed. This simple practice can significantly reduce stress. Deep breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, shifting your body into a state of rest and digest, which is ideal for sleep. Try a 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7, and exhale slowly for 8 counts, repeating several times. By integrating magnesium and L-Arginine with these 3 powerful lifestyle habits, you're setting yourself up for optimal nighttime recovery. Remember, consistency is key. Make these practices a regular part of your day to experience profound improvements in your sleep quality and overall well-being. Thank you for joining us for this segment. Stay tuned for more practical health tips tailored for men over 50 in our ongoing series.